Oppo launched two new smartphones under Find X series in China called Oppo Find X8 and Find X8 Pro. Both of these devices looks quite identical, but are different in terms of specifications, and among these two, the Oppo Find X8 Pro is the higher variant, with dedicated camera shutter button. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the Oppo Find X8 Pro smartphone. The Oppo Find X8 Pro features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution LTPO AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 4500 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified, and it has Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, paired with Immortalis G925 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256GB, 512GB, or 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. As per the optics, the Oppo Find X8 Pro sports a Hasselblad-featured quad camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.6 aperture, plus 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view, plus 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom support, along with the another 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 6x optical zoom support. The rear cameras of the phone supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 15 out of the box, with ColorOS 15 skin on top, and it is equipped by a massive 5910 mAh battery, with 80 watts wired flash charging support, and 50 watts wireless flash charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.27 by 76.67 by 8.34 millimeters, and it weighs around 215 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo Find X8 Pro has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in midnight black, cloudy white, and sky blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo Find X8 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Oh,